Hello, this is John with Modern Exterior. I am here in Pewaukee, Wisconsin, taking a look at an asphalt shingle roof that is towards the end of its lifespan here. The biggest tell that this roof is towards the end of its lifespan, you can see a previous repair was made here with the shingle kind of tucked underneath the standard patterning of this shingle. That's a good temporary fix, but that's going to be a long-term issue that's going to cause problems down the road with leaking, so we're going to want to remove and replace this roof in the very near future. If you look closer to the roof line, you can see some lifting going on with these shingles that is coming from nail heads actually pushing their way up from the decking, pushing the shingles themselves up. Eventually those nail heads are going to wear through the asphalt and cause nail head pop-throughs, causing spots for the roof to leak. If you look over here, there is a small flat roof section that is actually asphalt shingled. This pitch is too slight for us to actually asphalt this roof. We'd want to use either an EPDM or a TPO solution for this section of roof. And you can also see a good amount of granule loss on these shingles.